Suhas and we are from Team 2. Our project title is Mini UPS for Wi-Fi router and my role is Team Leader.
Hello everyone. My name is Karthik. In this project, my role is project manager.
Hello everyone, my name is Sabir. In this project, my role is project designer.
Hello everyone, my name is Steve Arshit and my role is budget analyst.
Hello everyone, my name is Ojas and my role is resource manager.
Our project is about mini UPS for Wi-Fi router. Whenever the electricity shuts down in our home, this mini UPS gets helpful for us. It is used as mini inverter for Wi-Fi router. It gives power supply to the Wi-Fi router. And essentially a Wi-Fi router UPS is a power backup unit primarily consisting of battery that will supply power to your Wi-Fi router even when your entire house is out of electricity. The battery inside a router UPS keeps recharging itself from the incoming AC power. Whenever it is available, it gives power backup up to 6 to 8 hours. The usage of mini UPS is very simple. Components used in our project mini UPS for Wi-Fi router is lithium-ion batteries, each of 3000 mAh, and LMC 2596 DC to DC buck converter, and copper rods, switches, 1 ampere transformer, and few jumper wires, and PVC board, capacitors, resistors, and diodes, and one Wi-Fi router.
3000 mAh battery is used to, it is a type of rechargeable battery which uses the reversible reduction of lithium ion to store energy. Next component is LM2596 DC to DC buck converter. It is a step down converter, is DC to DC converter which step downs voltage while stepping up current from its input supply. Next component is copper rod.
Electrical engineering, a switch is an electrical component that can disconnect or connect the conducting path in an electrical circuit, interrupting the electrical current of one conductor to another. And the transformer. A transformer is a passive component that transfers electrical energy from one electrical circuit to another circuit or multiple circuits. A varying current in any coil of the transformer produces a varying magnetic flux in the transformer's core. And the next component is jumper wires. A jump wire is also known as jumper wire or jumper. It is an electrical wire or a group of them in cable with the connector or pin at each or sometimes without them, which is normally used to interconnect the components of a breadboard and other prototype of test circuit internally or with each other.
Of our project was nearly 1500, 3000 mAh battery content nearly 500, LM DC to DC converter nearly 500, copper rod nearly 100, switch cost nearly 500, 1 ampere transformer nearly 500, few jumper wires nearly 100. So the cost of the project was nearly 500.
Of our project is we took a 9 lithium-ion batteries, 3000 mAh lithium-ion batteries. We connected them in a parallel because we can get a current while we connect in the parallel connections. The output voltage we are getting here is at 12 volts. So to control the voltage, we use the step-down buck converter. To control the why, because if we give the 12 volts directly to the router, it may damage the router. So there are we already know that there are two types of routers. One is 9 volts and 12 volts. For 9 volts it may damage the router. For 12 volts it does not damage the router. So we control the voltage. We use the buck converter. There will be a screw on the top of the buck converter. By losing that screw, the voltage will increases. By tightening that screw, the voltage will decreases. So here finally after the step down buck converter, usage of step down buck converter, the output voltage will be 8.6 volts because we already set it into 8.6 volts. Why? Because we are using this is if we are using suppose we are playing any video games in the online, or we are watching any movies or series or in a Zoom meetings, something, when the electricity is turned off in our home, so we can use this mini UPS. It gives a 8 hours backup. We can recharge because we use the lithium-ion batteries also. Here we use the 1 ampere transformer and a PCB board capacitor to convert to give the alternating current to the lithium-ion batteries. By using this converter, we didn't get any electricity, but the Wi-Fi router is on using of this mini UPS system.